Lesson 10. Using the sound detection sensor. In this lesson, we are going to learn the sound detection sensor. For the sake of time, in this video we only introduce the key blocks needed for this lesson. If you want to know the basic blocks, please check the video tutorial of our previous course or our website link. Thank you. Opened our tutorials, find the Starter Learning Kit lesson. We are learn the lesson 10. Using the sound detection sensor. Let's code blocks for this experiment. At first, we are using else block. Inside of the forever block is a more complex if block, which is an if else tree. To build this more complex if statement, add a standard else block into your program. Second, we use the pins block. This block is to direct us to operate the pins. On now, we choose read the pin dates. Then, we using the show string block. In this block, we writes any character, the letter A will show it. On now, we are writes voice N. Finally, download this example by clicking the download button in the upper right hand corner of the code window. After download the program to microbit. When any sound was detected by the sensor, microbit will display voice in on the screen.